Rachel here, and today we are going to do a little practice combo working on a series of shuffles. So we're going to shuffle to the front and to the side, and this is going to test your balance, and it's going to also help to improve just working those shuffles in a series back to back to back. If you're not ready for the balance challenge yet, there's nothing wrong with that. We can work up to it. You find a chair, a sturdy chair, a table, a desk, a couch, something that you can hold on to on the other side of the leg we're working. So if you're working your right leg, find something on your left side to support you. And then when we switch, just turn around and use that other side. Okay, so here we go. If you're not using something for balance, make sure you're really bending this knee and sitting into that supporting leg. So our shuffle has two sounds. It's always going to brush away from us and back to us. So a shuffle is going to be shuffle, shuffle. And I'm going to keep the shuffling leg in front of the supporting leg that I'm standing on. So I'm not going to swing my leg back and forth, but I'm going to go down and up. I'm going to do a brush, brush, shuffle, shuffle, shuffle. You can use your arms for balance too if you're not using a chair or something sturdy. So we're going to do 8 shuffles to the front. It's going to look like this. 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Yes? So 8 shuffles in a row. Really just working through that ankle, working through that leg up and down. This is a really great exercise to do just to warm up your feet also. Now we're going to keep that balance on that left leg, and we're just going to take our shuffles kind of to the side, and we're going to do 8, not kind of, to the side, and do 8 shuffles to the side. So it's going to go. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. So we've done 8 to the front, 8 to the side. Then we're going to cut it down. We're going to do 4 to the front, 4 to the side. And 4. Twos, 2, 2, and we're going to do 1, 1, 1 step. And then our left foot's free to repeat it. Woo, you're going to get a workout on that leg you're standing on as well. So we're doing 8 to the front, 8 to the side, 4 to the front, 4 to the side, 2 to the front, 2 to the side, single, single, single step. So after 2 and 2, it's front, side, front, step. Let's go ahead and try it on the left side. Give that, switch sides, give that other leg a break. So we're going to start with 8 shuffles on our left leg to the front. Looks like this. 5, 6, 7, 8. A 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, 5, 6, 7. Now side for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 4 front. Side to side, right and left. If you're not ready for the balance, just make sure you have something ready to grab when we switch sides, or you can stop the video and start it again when you're ready to switch sides. So here we go. Shuffles front and side in our little series. 8s, 4s, 2s, 1s, right and left. Same tempo we just did. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Ready, 5, 6, 8, shuffle, scrunch with your right. 5, 6, 7, side. 5, 6, 7, fours. 4, 2s. Single. Left goes for 8, 7, 6, 5. 8 side. 4s. 4s. 2s. Singles. Yes, very nice, y'all. Woo, I feel my legs working. Go ahead and practice that. You can put on any song you want. You can go slower, you can go faster. Just something to get your legs working, your supporting leg nice and warm, your ankles nice and warm. Have fun with it. See you in the next one.